Greetings, my people. Omo, no be small thing down for Nigeria. This justice crack matter with Nigerian soldier, no be small thing. They carry am go court today. Now the justice crack lawyer don finally drop the case. He say no get hand again. No, now very dark man come outside now. Come explain everything wey happen. Make I leave una make una watch the video. As una watch the video, make una drop an opinion in the comment section.
Alright, so I just opened my Instagram now, and the first news I'm seeing on Dave Play blog is an interview by Randy Peters about the case of Justice Crack. The summary of the interview by Randy Peters is that Barrister Marshal Abubakar withdrew his bail application for Justice Crack in open court today. And for that reason, Justice Crack would no longer be released today because he was scheduled to be released today. He could no longer be released today, and the case had been adjourned for a bail hearing on Monday. And I'm asking myself, like, what the fuck happened? This man left Turkey yesterday because of this case. I've tried to call Barrister Marshal. The phone said no, they even ring. He just show calling, because only WhatsApp call. I called Monster Boy. I told Monster Boy, hey, if you call Marshal direct, make you call me, make I know what really they go on, you know? Because this guy, he was talking about this case. In short, Marshal starts with this matter of this case, say the case don't come up, the case will soon come up, like day before yesterday. Yesterday, he kept on talking about it, yesterday night. Till yesterday when they come book the flight. That flight, they booked it a night before. But you know how expensive that flight be. Do you understand? They booked it and then he left. Surprisingly, this morning, I thought the next news I would see is that Justice Crack have been released. Do you understand? Now, again, I went back again to listen to Randy Peters intensively. And to be very honest, all I can see here is pride, ego, and malice from everybody that was in that court. All of you just went there to go and make a mess of yourself because of pride, ego, malice. Now, according to Randy Peters, he said that the reason why Marshal withdrew the bail application for Justice Crack is because Marshal wanted to be the lead counsel for Justice Crack, but they already have a lawyer. That Justice Crack already have a lawyer. Do you understand? Okay. The main goal now to release Justice Crack. That is the main goal, to release Justice Crack. Let's assume now, I never hear from Marshal, but let's put for now the blame, we'll put them on Marshal. For now, we'll put the blame on Marshal, right? So, you people are in court to secure bail for Justice Crack. And next thing, Barrister Marshal can't say na him go lead. Una own lawyer can't say na him go lead. Barrister Marshal can't argue. You can't argue. So the judge can't ask question. Can't say, Justice Crack, who is going to lead? Justice Crack can't say na him own lawyer. But Marshal no agree because say Marshal na him file for that bail application. And for this same case, Marshal travel all the way from Turkey come. I seen they prove stubborn. And the main goal is to release Justice Crack. Why would I not leave and make it just do him? Then when he come out, when I'll go they talk all these ones. If the goal is to release Justice Crack. As Marshal they prove stubborn, say na him. If you truly want to release the boy, if you want the boy to go home, why did you say, okay, Marshal, do? Because two wrongs don't make it right. Two people head no fit the hearts together. Now who they suffer, now Justice Crack will suffer. When I love him so much, when I carry him picking go court. Then Marshal can't start to be prove stubborn. Because I will understand Marshal's stubbornness. Even though I will still fault him. Because what is there? Your presence have been there. Oh yeah, no problem. When I do, no problem. Even though I came all the way, I may file this bail application. But no wildlife, and I won't come on me, no problem. Do you understand? But I see no concrete come down from his own high horse because of his own pride. I don't know what thing don't happen for inside that court. Maybe when I go don't show him body language. Maybe when I go don't talk some kind of things where we saying yeah. But if when I truly want to release her, why didn't you people just let him do the thing? But then again, as I was listening to Randy Peters, towards the end, I heard something. Somebody said, very dark man won't take glory.
be true because it's not lead counsel. I've never seen anything like this. A human rights lawyer. Through the like no matter your grievances, you've been lead lawyer in various cases.
Oga BDM won't collect the glory.
Oga!
BDM won't collect the glory.
So let me guess. The only reason why you people were dragging with Marshall is because you people believe that if na Marshall come out, a very dark man could take the glory. In a nutshell, because for that person to say it out loud, it means a lot of you have agreed. So the reason why you people no longer want Barrister Marshall on the case is because Barrister Marshall is affiliated and associated with Very Dark Man. Barrister Marshall and Very Dark Man, they talk it together. So I believe say if Marshall na the front or the lead counsel, now Marshall will take the glory. And for that reason, pride, ego, malice, when I start to fight for God, when make justice crack no come out. So just because you think Very Dark Man wants the glory, what glory? What are we dragging? What are we dragging? I keep asking myself, what are we dragging? What? I know Justice Crack personally. Personally, I know him. We talk. Maybe he's not going to talk with him for back. Only God knows how many times, how many people I don't disturb for this Justice Crack matter. Only God knows the circle why I don't go sit down, why I'm not supposed to sit down because of Justice Crack matter. Only God knows the effort you put. I play, I swear to God, not treason the one before that boy. But by the grace of God, God get the way where they do it. People think it's about glory. What glory do I need? What think Justice Crack News won't do for me when I don't get? Tell me, whether you like it or not. Whether you like it or not. Almost all of them when I did, if not join my social media influence, reach. If not that one be the problem, I don't need it. Marshall wasn't a guy which they, but now because he go talk, he do Very Dark Man. When I feel saying that glory we need, what glory? Who God don't raise, God don't raise. My ancestors are behind me. See the way, even the way Randy Peter started it. That some people they say they want the betterment of the country, but they are benefiting from the. Oh, shut up your mouth, all of you. And they say that thing. Some people don't want Nigeria to grow because they are benefiting. Anybody today that speak for Nigeria, if Nigeria was good, will not be speaking. They always like to say that nonsense. You people come out every time to say you want to protest for this. Some of you are known for this cause. If the country was good, would they know you? At least me, I don't talk about if Nigeria good before I for be actor, movie actor. I'm good. For some reason, don't make it about Very Dark Man now. All of them gather on ourselves, one umbrella. It was the hate. Why? I refuse to associate myself with you people because I don't trust and I don't believe in you people. I know you people's template. I will stay far. You see one thing about originality, even the audience know. You cannot fake it. The audience know. There's a reason why I have more followers than you people. There's a reason why I command more respect than you people. Anyways, I'll speak to Barrister Marshall. They don't carry the case go Monday. They don't withdraw in bail application. But I go continue. So I don't see the power where he himself gets now. Because if no be saying I ain't they push before for the matter, if for no get power to withdraw. That's just the truth. After the president successfully do all these things, when I want, it's not for me. It has nothing to do with me. And I feel beats my chest. Say the lawyers one I won't use. I don't know them. No disrespect to them. Marshall have more success more wins in the federal high courts than them. Marshall have more influence than them. Marshall knows the law than them. I don't care who they are. I be one person if you brag, say, oh, my lawyer is bad. Deji Adeyanju bad. Marshall bad. My 3 servants. I don't like their name for social media. Bad. Bad. Go. Well, I'm Marshall Akugu Sabi. Person for day talkie they enjoy. You don't help them file for bail application. You for leave them, they do that. You chop life for talkie. And I tell him, you know, I told him. He said that they call him for Nigeria. People they tell him, say, Marshall, you need to come, you need to be here. You know that you are the one that Marshall, no. Chop life. Good steak. Now I did chop steak. Yesterday, now your life they are stake for the people who say, okay, now maybe your problem, Marshall. But like say me and you go some cut ties. Marshall, you need to stay far. Because all these small minions, you know, responsible people will love you. But you see all these roaches. Anyways. One I know say now I know what made the boy come out. If not, all of myself will say, okay, now the interest of justice crack. Marshall, we are doing. But because of malice, envy, black heart. I say, hey, that man will take glory smelling. Come on, shut up your mouth. Rubbish. Like I said, when I will continue to learn, and a new thing. Learn those new things in the hard way if people don't use your head to calculate. Now,